Hi mga ka-Dream Homes and welcome back to my channel. And again, nandito ulit tayo sa may Antipolo, Rizal. And then ang ipapakita ko sa inyo, it is a single attached house and lot for sale. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video na i-upload ko. Ang property details pala nito guys, no? Ang lot area is 59.20 square meter and yung floor area is 66 square meter. Meron siyang 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and meron siyang 1 car garage. Okay, so check na natin itong property. Itong part na yan, dito nyo ilalagay yung inyong car and pasok tayo sa loob. Once na pumasok kayo sa loob, ito ang bubungad sa inyo guys. So open concept siya, living area, dining area, and this is your kitchen area. So ang aliwalas ng property na to. And then meron siyang sliding door, papunta yan sa may laundry area nyo. Okay, and then check natin itong powder room sa may ground floor. So pang small family, maganda to kapag nagsisimula pa lang kayo, no? And then ito naman, pwede nyong gawin yan storage area. So proceed tayo guys sa may taas. Nandito yung 3 bedrooms. Ito yung bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1, meron na rin siyang window, meron provision for window type of aircon, and kasyang-kasya rito yung isang bed or double deck. And ito naman yung toilet and bath ng 2 kwarto. Bedroom number 2, ayan, almost the same guys yung design. And check natin yung last part, which is the master bedroom. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Meron siyang corner window, ayan, and then meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. And sa last part, may door dito, access to dito sa inyong balcony. So yan guys, no? If you think this property is for you, message nyo lang ako guys para makita nyo to ng actual. So again, this is your Dream Home Buddy, Marvin Marquez. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa aking susunod na house tour. God bless and bye-bye!